Hello everyone, good morning. Taxonomy is the one of the oldest field of the biological science, is the theory and practice of the classification. The wealth of the vegetation that adorns the earth shows a very vast array of the diversity to form the mode of life. Some of them are the minute floating hubs with a very simple construction, while other are gigantic trees attain the height of about 100 meters and with very complex structure. A conservative estimate of the number of descriptive species of the plant in the world is over 4 lakh. There have been several major phases of the systematic. Beginning with the prehistoric time, Aristotle and Theophrastus made descriptive contributions which result the development and the formal taxonomic group establishment of the descriptive languages to define these groups. The earliest system of the classification of were founded on the gross structural resemblance, such as the habitat, like trees, herbs, shrubs, vines, etc. Morphology of the plant in the most widely used to the instrument of the classification in the earliest system of classification. The primary aims of the classical taxonomy were describe the name of all known species and construct their natural systems. Publication of the Darwin evolutionary theory in 1859 profoundly affected the systematic thinking. Classification were interpreted in the evolutionary terms. The period beginning in the 1960s, it marked by the development of rapid and relative simple techniques and ideas. Haywood in 1967 has referred to this as a period of the taxonomic and characterized by the advanced mode in two main areas, chemotaxonomy or chemical taxonomy and the taximetric or the numerical taxonomy. There have been 4 overlapping phases in the plant taxonomy. First is the pioneer or explorative phase. Second, consolidation phase. Third, biosystematic phase. And fourth are the encyclopedic phase. The first two phases corresponding to alpha taxonomy. Alpha taxonomy is the preliminary classification based on the entire on external morphology. Systems of the classification. Various attempts made by the classify of the plant fall in on the following 3 categories. First are artificial system, second are natural system, and third are phylogenetic system. Artificial system, the earliest system of the classification where artificial system and the system of this nature remained dominant from 300 BC up to about 1830. Since very little information was available about the plants, these systems were based on one or few characters. The artificial systems propounded by the early habitats were based on the habit. like trees, shrubs, and herbs, and the Carolus Linnaeus sexual system on the floral characters, particularly the number of stamens and carpels. Theophrastus in 370 to 287 BC, a Greek naturalist who is called the father of the botany, while the pupil of the great philosopher Plato and Aristotle, he classified the plant into the four groups: